straight towards your left hand side. Now अभी आप लोगों को figure out करना आपके right hand side कौन से और which is your right hand side and which is your left hand side. You have to figure it out. Right, straight, left, right, straight, left. Okay, very nice. Now hands straight and legs, join your legs. Hands straight, straight रखो एकदम, okay? And bend your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Hands on your waist. All of you, hands on your waist and rotate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. Okay, all of you sit down now. Please sit down. Okay, kids. So let us start a class now. Is everybody ready? Everyone's ready? Okay, very nice, Pramiti. Drink some water if you want. You can all have a little bit of water, okay? Have water and get relaxed. Take a deep breath now. Leave your breath. All of you. Inside, out. Inside, out. Inside, out. Okay, enough. Now, let us get ready for our studies. Okay, kids. So, today what are we going to do? We are going to continue where we left on Friday. Okay, there is one word left from AG family, AG family. Only one word is left today, and we are going to do the reading part also. Those sentences which we were doing on Friday, we have to complete them today. Okay, fine, kids. So first I will share my screen with you and show you exactly what are we going to do. Everybody, please have a look at my screen. Okay, okay, now just see. So we were doing these sentences, right? We have already done 4 sentences. Now 2 are left. अभी खाली यही 2 sentences बच गए हैं. The last 2, only the last 2 are left, right? तो आज हम उनको read करेंगे one by one. Okay, so I will tell you how to read it. Okay. You can have a look at it. आपके पास अगर book है तो आप book open कर लो. Please open the page in the book. This is book number 2. Unit 2, okay? I'm giving you time. Take out your book, open the page. Those who do not have book, please don't panic. That is okay. I am going to teach you on the whiteboard. So no worries. You can take a screenshot if you want. आप लोग screenshot ले सकते हैं. Those who do not have a book, please take a screenshot. Or you can click a picture. Okay, if you're seeing it on the laptop, click a picture. If you're seeing it on the mobile, please take a screenshot. Okay, kids. So I'm coming back to you now. आपको चाहिए? Do you want me to put it for more time? I'm so sorry I didn't ask that. Do you want me to put it for more time? हो गया सबका? Okay, fine. Now, kids, I'm coming back to you. Okay. So first of all, we are going to learn the first sentence. So this is the first sentence which I've written on the whiteboard. Okay, so today I'm not going to make all the kids read. We will do only selective reading because then we have the next sentence also. So that takes a lot of time if everybody is doing. I will just call out the name. Only that kid will read and tell me what it is. Okay, Sarvesh. Are you there, Sarvesh? Your video is not on. I can't see your face. Okay, Aditi, you tell me. What is this word? Can you read this word?
Dad.
Very good, Aditi. Excellent. This is dad. The dad. Very nice, Aditi. Now, IS, I had told you in the previous class also, IS means is. Okay, dad is. Sarvesh, please unmute. Aditi, you can mute yourself now. Okay, thank you, Aditi. Now, Sarvesh, you tell me, what is this? BY is buy. Stay with me, Sarvesh. Buy. Buy. Bolo? I think your video has got hung. Dad is BY buy. Dad is buy. Very good, Sarvesh. Very nice, beta. Very good. Very nice. Put yourself on mute now. Suyash, now you read this. Suyash, what is this? Suyash? Okay. Now, Shreyas, आप read करो. Shreyas, please read. What is this that I've written? 1 minute, Shreyas. Give me 1 minute. What is this? THE is what? हमने last sentence में भी पढ़ा था ना. THE is the. Very good. So let's read from the beginning. Dad.
Dad.
Is IS is. Is BY by.
By.
THE the. THE the. Very good. Put yourself on mute. Okay, Soumya, now what is this? Can you read this, Soumya? The apple. The tap. The apple tap. Very good, Soumya. Okay, now let us read again. You can put yourself on mute. Pramiti, please read the whole sentence now with me. Soumya, mute kar do. Please mute yourself. Yes, Pramiti. The
Dad.
Very good. IS is B by T-H-E, the, yes, very good. Tap, very good, excellent Pramiti, very nice. Dad is by the tap. Okay, very nice. Put yourself on mute. Harshdeep, please read the whole sentence now with me. Say, dad, dad,
Dad.
I-S is,
Is
B-Y, T-H-E, the. Very good. Apple,
Tap.
tap. Very nice, Harshdeep. Put yourself on mute. Sanskriti, now you read what it is.
Dad. I-S is by. T-H-E, the T-A-P, tap.
Very nice. Excellent, Sanskriti. Very good, beta. Dad is
Is
by
by
the
the
tap. Okay. Now everyone, सबके सब बोलेंगे. Everybody on mute now. Everyone on mute. Now without unmuting yourself, without putting on the mic, you all have to read with me. Okay? सबको unmute पे read करना है. Mute नहीं हटाना है किसी को भी. सबको mute पे रह के मेरे पीछे पीछे read करना है. You all have to repeat after me on mute. Okay? So say with me everyone. Dad. I-S is, everybody has to read, everyone. B-Y, by. सबको म्यूट पे रहना है. एवरीवन ऑन म्यूट प्लीज. म्यूट करके रखो. म्यूट नहीं हटाना है अभी. ठीक है. T-H-E, the apple, tap. Dad is by the tap. Okay, so all of you have understood this sentence. सबको ये घर पे practice करना. Everybody has to practice this at home. Okay, how to read these small sentences. Only read ones which are there in the book. Okay.
Ma'am.
Now we are going to learn the second sentence, which is a little long sentence. Okay. Now those who did not read in the first one will read in the second one now. Navya, tell me what is H-E. हमने पहले sentence में भी किया था. H-E is. Mute हटा दो बेटा. Navya, mute हटा दो. I think you're on mute.
H-E. He.
Remember I told you that he word is used for boys. मैंने आपको बताया था ना that she is used for girls, he is used for boys. So H-E is he. Okay, now what is H-A-S? Has. H-A-S, has. Everyone say with me. H-A-S, has. He has. Okay, now mute कर दो नव्या. सिद्धेश unmute करो.
हाँ.
Yes. Now सिद्धेश आप बोलो. Wait, I'm writing it. Okay, Siddesh. Now can you read this? What you read was right. Very nice. Excellent, Siddesh. He has a map. Very good, Siddhesh. Excellent. Okay, now put yourself on mute. Now the next kid who is not read till now. Harshdeep. Yes, Harshdeep. Now what is A and D? A and D is and. ये आपको बहुत common word है. It's a very common word which you are going to find everywhere in the sentence. So you have to learn the spelling. A and D and. Everyone say
A and D and.
and. Okay, this is going to be there in most of the sentences. This is a common word. A and D and.
A and D and.
Yes. So read with me from the beginning. He.
H he
HAS has.
H he has
Has.
as
A को क्या बोलते हैं हम?
a.
अगर वो सेंटेंस की होता है, if it is written in the, it is written in a sentence, then we read it as a.
O.
What is this? Ma.
Map.
Very good. Ma app map. And A and D is what?
A and D and.
Very nice, Harshdeep. Very good pickup. Very nice. He has a map and do mute yourself. Who is going to read now? Okay, Aditi, now you read. What is this? I'm sorry, it got rubbed. What is this, Aditi? Pa.
The.
Add a pad. What is a pad? I told you it's a notepad जिसमें आप writing करते एक छोटी सी book होती है. It's a small book in which you can put your notes. You can write something. Okay, it's called a pad. Add a pad.
The pad.
So he बोलो he has
has
a ma apple. A and D and a add a pad. Excellent, Aditi. Mute kar do. Okay, Shreyas. Now you read. O-N is what? On. Shreyas, please read. O-N is what? On. On. H-I-S, his. आप लोग को अगर ये word में प्रॉब्लम होगी ना रीडिंग में, it's fine. You will learn it gradually. There are a lot of words which you learn gradually when you start reading. Now, right now, this is on the 3-letter words which you've done. You should be able to read these words. H-I-S, his.
H-I-H-is.
His. Now, what is this? Can you read it? ये last में क्या लिखा हुआ है? Please read it.
Adlet. Adlet.
Very nice. Excellent, Shreya. It's a good thing that you all are able to read the 3-letter words which are done in the class. Okay, these are new words for you. You will learn them gradually. When you keep on reading, you start recognizing them and start reading them. Now, main चीज क्या important चीज है ये that you should be able to read these 3-letter words which we have done, the phonic words. Okay, fine. So everyone, let us read this again from the beginning. Now all of you have to read this on mute. Everybody please put yourself on mute. Yes. And now we are going to read it together. सबको मेरे साथ बोलना है, मेरे पीछे पीछे रीडिंग करनी पर म्यूट पर. ओके. So let us start. he, has, has, Aditi, please read with me. Map, map.
Map.
म्यूट पे अदिति, म्यूट पे करना. and pad, pad. on. his. lap. Okay, so kids, we have to keep on practicing this. We'll practice this again. हम ऐसे ही practice करेंगे reading की. Slowly you start reading these smaller words. But right now, pay emphasis on these words. The main emphasis has to be on these 3-letter words. Main emphasis has to be on these words. Okay. ये इम्पोर्टेंट है, इनको रीड करना आपको अब आना चाहिए. जो जो क्लास में कंप्लीट करते हो, whatever you finish in the class, you should be able to read these 3-letter words. These are the words, other words, they are pronouns, helping words, conjunctions, lot of things in the sentence. This you will gradually learn by practicing. Okay, kids? Now let us wind up the reading part. We'll practice the reading part every day. Every day we'll take one sentence and read. Okay, we'll keep on repeating also the older sentences. Okay, everyone, हम रोज reading की practice करेंगे. जो पुराने sentences हैं उनको वापस repeat करेंगे. So we keep on repeating the older sentences and we'll learn how to read the new ones also. With what? With the words that we are learning. Those words will be there in the sentence. Okay, kids? Now we were doing the ag family, if you remember. Which family we were doing? हम लोग ag family कर रहे थे ना? AG, ag. What did we learn in that? The first word was bag, bag. Yes, the first word was bag, bag. Let me make the bag for you. Okay. So bag, bag. This was the first word we learned. Remember? Bag, bag. Everybody repeat after me on mute, but don't unmute yourself. Bag, bag. Very good. What was the second word? Pramiti? What was the second word? Bag, then?
Rag.
Excellent, Pramiti. The second word was rag. Rag. I'll just try to draw this for you. Just give me 1 minute. I'll just draw it for you. Yeah. So, rag. It's a piece of cloth. Yes. Rag. Very good. Everyone repeat. Rag. Okay. Now, Navya, what was the third word we did? After rag? Bag, rag, then? Yes, Navya. Are you there, beta? बोलो third word क्या था?
T. T-A-G. Go.
Yes, good, Navya. It was T-A-G. Tag. Tag. Yes. Very good, Navya. It was tag. Tag. Okay, I'll just try to draw it. Just give me 1 minute, kids. Okay. Tag. Yes. So everyone repeat after me. Please do it on mute. Everybody stick on mute. Tag.
Go. Tag.
Tag. Tag.
Go. Tag.
Very nice, Navya. Very good. Mute yourself, Navya. Please put yourself on mute. Now we are going to do the last word. Okay, so these 3 words, everybody is clear? Everyone is clear with these 3 words? Bag, rag, tag. Say with me. Bag, rag. And last one, tag. Okay, these are all AG family, AG family words. AG family, or you can say AG family. Okay, I would prefer if you remember it as AG family. Okay, now kids, we are going to learn the last word of this family. Let me share my screen. Everybody, please look at the screen. Okay, so the last word is wag. What is the last word, kids? Wag. What does wag means? When a dog moves its tail fast in a fast motion, okay, to and fro, it is called wagging the tail. जब डॉगी के पास आप जाते हो, वो आपको अपना प्यार दिखाना चाहता है तो अपनी टेल तेज से हिलाता है ना, उस टेल को हिलाने को क्या बोलते हैं? वैग. व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड? वैग. एवरीबॉडी से वैग. वैगिंग करना मतलब क्या होता है? मूविंग द टेल fast in a fast motion to and fro. Okay, when a dog wants to show his affection, then he does that, right? So this is the last word of ag family. Everyone say with me, ag, wag. Let me come to you. आप लोग ये pictures को carefully देख लो, because I will give you an exercise also where I will just put the picture and ask you the word. See, this is the picture. A dog is wagging his tail. It is there in your book. All these pictures are there in your book, okay? Okay, now I'm coming back to you all. So, अभी हम इसको practice करते हैं white board पे. We'll practice here, then we are going to write it down. Were. How do you say were? Can anybody tell me? How do you say were? Show me. Yes. How do you say the sound of W? Who is going to tell me? Sanskriti, tell me. Yes, Sanskriti, tell me. Verb. I had explained something to you, all of you, and the older students especially. I've repeated that so many times. The sound of V and W is were. But what is the difference between the two? There's a method of saying it, which is different in both. Siddesh, can you tell me? V and W. They both have the same sound. What is the difference? V and W. V and, yeah, you are right. It is V. What is the difference between V and W? Who knows the answer? Raise your hand. V and W. Yes, Pramiti. Tell me, Pramiti. Do you know the answer? I've told you many times. I will explain it to you once more. See, V and W, they both have the same sound. V also has the sound of V and W also has the sound of V. But the way we say it is different. Okay, when we say V, V, then we bite our lips and say V. Very nice. Very good. Like that. We need to bite our lips a little bit. Okay? But when we say W, V, then we make our lips round, shape of a whistle. Whoa, like wag. The dog is wagging the tail. So we make our lips round. Sab karo aise, do everyone do like this. Whoa, whoa, like you're whistling. Whoa, whoa. Everyone, Navya, please do it. Whoa, whoa. Very good. Whoa. Make your lips round. Whoa, whoa. Wag. How do you say? Wag. But when we say V, the other V, which is V, then how do we say? V. 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 Okay, then you don't have to make your lips round. You have to bite your lips and say V. So now wag has W in it. So how do we say it? Wag. We don't say wag. We say wag. 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 Water. Water. Okay. So now remember it next time. If I ask you, I don't want to see blank faces. Okay, please remember that, all of you. I've repeated that in my previous classes. I can understand the new students don't remember because they must have heard it maybe for the second time. But the older ones, I've told you many times. Remember this now, okay? All of you. Now, the word is wag. W plus, which family are we talking about? Which family are we talking about? Ag family. Very good. A-G, wag. W plus wag. Wag. Keep your sound soft, especially the ending sound. Keep it soft. Go. Don't make it so prominent. Wag. Keep the ending sound soft. Wag. Say with me. Wag. Wag. All of you. Wag. 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 Very nice. Very nice. Now, what does wag mean, Siddesh? What does wag means, Siddesh? Wag का क्या मतलब होता है? What does wag means? I told you just now.
Tell mommy fast.
Yeah?
Don't tell me.
Very good. The dog moves its tail like this, wags its tail. And it is moving its tail in a fast motion like this. Because it wants to show the affection. Then it's called wag. Very good, Siddesh. Okay, all of you understood? That is called wagging the tail. Dog ऐसे ऐसे move करता है ना अपनी tail को जब आपको प्यार दिखाता है, affection दिखाता है ना? Those who have dog as a pet will understand it better. Moves its tail fast. ऐसे fast move करता है ना tail को? That is called wag. What is it called? Wag. Okay, all of you? Understood? So let us write this word in our notebooks now. Everybody please take out your notebook. Now there is only one word left, only one word which you have to write, so we can write it.
Teacher.
Yes, beta.
I did it to 8:28.
Thank you, Soumya. Thank you, beta.
Welcome, teacher.
Okay, Babu. Now everybody please write down on the top 2828 like Soumya told just now. 2828.
वो तो नहीं डाला था सोने जा रही थी इसलिए बोल रही थी चलो चले कभी ना
28 and then put a dash over here.
बड़ा बड़ा done ma'am.
Okay, now write down 0, 9. Okay, and then 2020. Everybody please copy the date. It's 28th September 2020.
Done ma'am.
Okay, very good, beta. Now write down C dot W on the top.
Done ma'am.
Okay, now we are going to do only one word today because that is the last word. So if you want, you can write it in the center of the page or you can write it here over here also. Okay, wherever you want to fit it, you can. Now I'm going to write in the center. It is W, small, make a small W, W. Then A, that is ag family, A, G, small g, W-A-G, wag. W-A-G, wag. Everybody practice it like this. W-A-G, wag. W-A-G, wag.
Done ma'am.
Very nice. Let other kids also finish it, okay? W-A-G, wag.
Done
W-A-G. Now, she did something very interesting. She had made pictures also. She draw pictures also. And
back.
you guys, if you also want to do that, you can also nice idea. That's a good thing. You can remember the words easily if you relate them to the picture. Okay? लोग भी ऐसे कर सकते हो पिक्चर ड्रॉ कर सकते हो यहाँ पे डॉग की पिक्चर ड्रॉ करना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है वो मत करो इफ यू कांट बट जैसे इजी वर्ड्स से बैग रैग टैग दोस ड्राइंग्स में इजी तो आप लोग को ड्रॉ करके उसमें कलरिंग कर सकते हो साइड में ओके लाइक संस्कृति हैड डन संस्कृति कैन यू शो योर नोटबुक प्लीज यू कैन शो इट यस सो शी थोड़ा नीचे करिए नोटबुक बहुत ऊपर है
Teacher, my turn. Sanskriti ma'am. Teacher, my turn.
Done, very good. Okay, so everybody, did you see? I think a video has got hung. Can you all see it? दिख रहा आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, not mine. Can you see Sanskriti's?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, I think उनका video hang हो गया है, but that is okay. I have one point. Okay, so आप लोग आते हो if you want it. That is up to you. आप ड्रॉ भी कर सकते हो पिक्चर बिकॉज आप पिक्चर से रिलेट करके आपके लिए इजी होएगा ओके पिक्चर्स दैट आर इजी टू ड्रॉ लाइक अ डॉग इज डिफिकल्ट टू ड्रॉ डोंट ड्रॉ दैट बट जो इजी पिक्चर्स है वो आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हो ओके नाउ किड्स लेट अस राइट द एक और बार लिखते हैं द व a g wag Okay. So we will write it 4 times. 1, 2, then one more time. V, A, G, wag. Okay, and when you write it down, say it from your mouth. V, A, G, wag. V, A, G, wag. W, A, G, wag. Everyone, I see your mouth. I want to see your mouth moving, kids. मुझे चाहिए कि आप लोगों का माउथ ओपन और क्लोज होते हुए मैं देखूं कि आप बोल रहे हो लिखते हुए. ओके. व, आ, ग, वैग. वेरी गुड हर्षदी. W, A, G, wag. W, A, G, wag. W, A, G, wag. Very good, Soumya. लिख रहे हो? Soumya, are you writing? Okay, good. Now we have to write 4 times. So how many times have I written? Count. 1, 2, 3. Please write 1 more time. Okay. W, A, G, wag. W, A, G, wag.
W-A-G, bag.
W, A, G, wag.
W-A-G, bag.
W, A, G, wag.
One, two, three, four.
Okay, kids. Now, has everybody understood all the 4 words from that family? Now, if you have completed till here, please show it kindly. Show it on your screen. I want to see what you all have written. Everybody put it at the same time. I'll check one by one. 1, 2, 3, start. Put it on your screen, all of you. Whatever you've written. Very nice, excellent, very neat writing. Okay, very good, Siddesh. Very good, Harshdi. Very neat. Very good. Very nice, all of you. Okay, very good. Okay, very nice.
Ma'am, see, ma'am.
Okay, I'm coming. Very good, Aditi. Very good. Very good, Pramiti. Very good.
Teacher, my turn.
Did you log in just now? I've just seen you right now. मैंने आपको पहले देखा ही नहीं, आशीषमान. आपने अभी log in किया है बेटा? Were you there in the class? Network issue was there? Oh, that is okay. But you understood, no, what I have taught you? Okay, fine. Now, Sanskriti, you've come back? Okay, Sanskriti. Now you can show your book, Sanskriti. Because there was some network issue, we couldn't see, the kids couldn't see. Yes, now everyone please have a look at the screen. Ma'am, can you please put it a little bit down? Because that pictures are not visible. Yeah, now it's okay. Now see how she has drawn the pictures. If you want, that is up to you. ये आपकी wish है. अगर आप बनाना चाहते हो तो ऐसे learn कर सकते हो. Because वो ऐसे learn करने में आपको आसानी होगी relate करने में. If you relate the word with the picture, if you relate the picture with the word, then it's easy. Remember it. Okay, तो आप ऐसे if you want. जो easy pictures है, which are not difficult to draw. Which are difficult to draw, don't draw them. Wagging his tail is difficult. But like a rag you can draw. Okay, a tag you can draw. Okay, kids? Now, kids, let us end our day over here. Has everybody understood the word we did today? What did we learn today? We learned wag. What is the new word we learned today? Wag. 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 Very good. And how do we say wag? Wag. 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 Very good. Now, kids, your homework would be that those who do not have the book will finish it in the notebook. Okay, and you can complete these 2 columns also. Those who do not have a book, आप ये columns भी complete कर लेना, पूरा page complete 3 columns बना के पूरा complete कर लेना, okay? And जिनके पास books है, those who have books, please do it in your book. No need to do it in the notebook. Please do it in the book. Okay, kids, understood all of you? There is a page where there are pictures and there is one more page which is the practice page. Do the practice page also. Okay, the whole page is there. Fine, all of you understood? Check it in your book, you'll find it. Okay, so let us end our day on this note. Everybody, please get up. Everyone, please get up. Let's do the prayers. All of you fold your hands. Okay, mute yourself and say with me, thank you God.
Thank you, God.
For the world so sweet. Thank you God.
Thank you, God.
For the food we eat. Thank you God. For the birds that sing. Thank you God for everything.
Thank you, God, for everything.
Let's close your eyes and say, God, please bless my mummy,
God bless my mama,
my daddy,
my daddy,
and my teachers.
my teacher.
Help me always to keep them happy. Okay, now everybody stand straight for national anthem. Hands by your side. Okay, and mute. Everybody on mute, please. I'm starting. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्रविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छ्वल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद. Okay kids, bye bye for now. Take care of yourself, all of you. Bye. Bye all of you.
Bye.
Bye. You can all disconnect the class. Press on the leave button and go. Okay kids? Bye. Press the leave button and go. Leave button है ऊपर वो press कर दो. Navya, Soumya, please press the leave button.
Okay.
Okay.